This is a conversation with Nidhi Kumar. She is UAE's biggest dance YouTuber and an actor, model, TV presenter, and choreographer. In this episode, we discuss dance and her inspirations, Bollywood movies and their masala, handling social media and fame, and we also play a Coffee with Karan inspired rapid fire round. This is no time. If you like what you see, do subscribe on YouTube, follow on Spotify, or rate 5 stars on Apple Podcasts. This project takes a lot of my time, money, and effort. You might start seeing some gray hairs really soon. So if you like to see it continue, then do consider supporting it on Patreon. For other forms of love and support, as always, you can follow this channel on Instagram or Twitter or follow me personally. And now, it's no time. So your parents often joke कि निधि तो नाचते नाचते पैदा हुई थी
Yes.
कि डॉक्टर ने देख के बोला कि ये डांसर बनेगी मेरे डॉक्टर ने तो देख के बोला कि तू प्लम्बर बनेगा बट anyway
That we know.
yeah, it was quite evident the moment I was born.
It was.
But jokes about you actually did start dancing from a very young age. You started dancing from the age of 4. And you've been doing it for 20 years now, 18 hours a day, 7 days a week. It is really hard work and there are a lot of challenges along the way.
Yeah.
But anytime someone watches any of your videos, just watches you dance, they can see that you're really enjoying what you do. There's a lot of electricity in the performance. There's a lot of joy to it. So the first question for you is, why do you dance? What is it about dance that gives you that feeling that makes all these challenges go away?
I feel like dancing is a very strong form of expression. And it really helps me feel कि मैं मतलब कुछ भी कर सकती हूँ, you know, like I express my emotions through dancing. It's pretty weird कि जब भी मैं गुस्सा होती हूँ तो मैं बहुत ज्यादा डांस करती हूँ so that I calm down और मैं किसी को मार ना दूँ साइड में. But yeah, I mean, I think the reason why I love dancing so much is the expression, the freedom to express, and I think it's amazing.
In your early days, you used to watch your father dance at family parties.
Yes. Like my dad, like typical Punjabi dad, कजरारे शुरू होता था and वो अपनी mom के दुपट्टा, मेरी mom के दुपट्टा लेके शुरू. He used to just go and just start dancing.
He was Aishwarya Rai.
He was Aishwarya Rai,
And
exactly.
Amitabh.
He was the entire package. That's where I've learned from.
Yeah. Kajrare was also the first song you choreographed.
Yes. Watching him, Kajrare was I think Kajrare was, I think, one of the first few songs that I actually knew about. And that was the first song I choreographed. And it was like, I mean, that's my favorite song. Like I have danced, I think one of my first few performances was also in Kajrare, like my live performance. So I mean, that song is very special. I mean, it's weird that it's a Mujra song, but still, it's a very special song.
If Kajrare was remade today, who would play Amitabh and Abhishek against you? Assuming ki you're going to be playing Aishwarya, but you can play Abhishek.
No, ha. Okay, if I'm Aishwarya Rai, this is very hard. Yeah. Okay, I would definitely want Ranveer Singh. So
Okay.
Ranveer Singh
Ranveer
will
is-
be Abhishek.
Abhishek, okay.
And Amitabh can be Ayushman. I know it's a very weird thing, but I can't say why I want Ayushman because I'm kind of obsessed with him. But
That's an
Ayushman.
interesting aesthetic.
I know, right?
Yeah.
Ayushman is...
Ayushman, Amitabh ka
Amitabh.
role.
Ayushman is Amitabh and Ranveer Singh is Abhishek.
I'm still picturing Ranveer and Ayushman
I think
as...
it'll be very sexy. The entire... Because I think Ayushman is taller than Ranveer Singh, no? So I think wo chala jayega. I think it'll work.
Chalo, if you say so.
Yeah.
So you used to watch your dad and you used to get really inspired by him. So what was your big performance when you were dancing at these family parties?
My biggest performance was Kajrare only. So slowly as I grew up, I think from the age of 5, 6. Yeah, I mean, मतलब शुरू से ही हर पार्टी में अरे निधि बेटा नाचो ना बीच में बस हर पार्टी में मुझे ही लेके नाचो and free give performance. So I think Kajrare was, I think my most performed number in family parties is Kajrare because everybody used to dance with me and everyone. Also, I learned how to do belly dancing in these family parties. I know it sounds weird, but
कहाँ होती है ये parties?
हमारी family, like, I mean, what do I say? Like, our family friends are just very, like, you know, flamboyant and they're amazing. So that's great. So, yeah, I feel like, I think, but yeah, Kajrare was my most performed.
हमारी पार्टी में तो बोलते थे अरे शलज बेटा बहुत फास्ट इंग्लिश बोलता है बेटा इंग्लिश बोल के दिखाओ इंग्लिश 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 इंग्लिश
I can imagine. But your English is still not that great.
Yeah, वही ना पार्टी ऐसी पार्टी से कहाँ से सीख के आएंगे?
That's true.
Yeah. So apart from your family and your parents who've been a big source of inspiration, when you were growing up, what movies or actors were also positive influences for you?
Shah Rukh Khan.
Mm.
100%, which is weird because now I don't know if I should say this because shayad
You can
but
say
yeah,
it,
but I
say
think I should.
it.
So I
Yeah.
mean now, I mean Shah Rukh Khan, like I still love him obviously, but it's not like that much of like I don't love him that much anymore. I
Why?
know it's weird. I don't know. I just feel like the love has declined. Sorry guys. I mean Shah Rukh Khan has been my all-time favorite actor. Or I don't know. It's just the movies. It's just everything. I feel
You've
like
also
so.
grown up, maybe,
I've
like,
also
yeah,
grown up. Exactly. You
yeah.
know, पहले बच्चों वाला प्यार होता है ना
Mm.
जो वो था शाहरुख खान के साथ, and he was like I used to love him like crazy. I was obsessed with him. The way I feel his charm, the aura that he has, especially when he's giving interviews or when he's so witty, and I just aspire to be like him before. Now also, of course, I do, but not that.
No offense to Shah Rukh
No
Khan.
offense to Shah Rukh Khan. It's okay.
I know you're watching.
I know you want.
Hasti ki might be watching. Okay.
I'm I don't think okay, I'm
You
sorry.
don't know
No,
our yeah.
supportive friend.
Thanks. You
Supportive.
don't know our viewers.
Supportive.
पता है मेरा कौन था?
Gone.
Govinda.
Go-
Oh,
I think now it makes sense why you're like this.
कहना क्या चाहती है? ये देख,
See?
leave it gone.
See, it's gone.
No, Govinda, I used to really like.
No, actually, Govinda is like,
Same. I have similar reactions like what do you have now. Maybe I may not watch those movies again, but when I was young, I used to love those movies.
I mean, in terms of dancing, like
Yeah.
Govinda sir is like God. Like all like whenever I like my expressions. So basically, everyone keeps saying that my expressions are my most like my biggest strength. And I feel like I take a lot of inspiration from Govinda because like everything that I do, the masti, the slow movements that he used to do at that time. Like I mean, I've learned practically everything from him. So I love you. If you're watching, let's dance together.
You're right. Actually, both you and him have this like the joy which I mentioned. It
Yeah,
just
that's
shines
the
through.
yeah.
And
true.
he had this thing where he had this swagger to his dancing. कि उसकी personality दिखती थी in the dance, which is very hard. मुझे नहीं पता इतना dance के बारे में, but
I
yeah, हाँ
think
नहीं
yeah.
पता.
मैंने देखा है आपको डांस करते
Yeah.
हुए, and I don't think आपके audience को देखना चाहिए because
एक दिन आप मेरे Facebook videos पे जाना, आपको दिखेगा.
अच्छा नहीं please मत जाना please.
Okay, so you grew up watching Shah Rukh Khan initially and Govinda in few months. So then you finish high school, and as you're finishing university, you decide to start making these tutorials, these dance videos. So let's say you can travel back in time, and you can travel back to Nidhi who was making a first dance tutorial. Yeah, and उसको पता नहीं कि एक दिन millions of people will watch your videos. एक दिन आप जियो गार्डन BKC में 1000 लोगों के सामने नाचेंगी. एक दिन आप फोटोज के भी पैसे लेंगी.
What? ये सब झूठ है. What?
ये मैनेजर इधर बैठा है.
No.
So she doesn't know any of this. She's just making her first dance tutorial just out of pure joy for it. What advice would you give her?
Wow. Stay grounded always because from what I started with and now where I am, where I dance with like Neha Kakkar ma'am and so many others, I feel like fame like सर पे चढ़ जाते हैं बहुत, like fame सर पे चढ़ जाती है बहुत लोगों के और वो भूल जाते हैं where they've come from, and I never want to do that, and I'm always scared. Touch wood, now at least like still not a much better, not like I'm like crazy famous, but I feel like I never want to forget my roots, and I want to forget कि मैंने घर पे अपने हॉल में बार स्टूल पे रख के बुक्स रख के फिर शूट किए थे अपना my most like my first 10-20 videos were all shot like that in my house, and I don't want to forget that कि अब हमारे पास स्टूडियो है, वीडियोग्राफर है, मेकअप आर्टिस्ट, ये वो. So I think that's the only thing, to stay grounded. And yeah, man, you're making me very emotional. What is this?
You chose emotional answer.
My
मैं
God.
question तो innocent था.
My
चलो एक
God.
और emotional question
No,
करेंगे.
yaar.
No, it's a
Okay.
fun question. So let's travel back in time again. Let's go 4 years back when there was a very minor event in your life. You decided to upload a video for Kala Chashma. Okay, so let's go to the exact moment where you're about to press upload on that button. And let's say किसी ने बोला निधि ये अच्छी वीडियो नहीं है, या तूने खुद सोचा कि maybe it's not as good, and for some reason you didn't upload it. So if that video hadn't come out, do you think you would have been in the exact position you are today, or you would have been somewhere totally different?
Honestly, wow. Okay, I've never thought about this. So good one, Shalaj.
Thank you. मेरे
Kudos to you.
10 intern काम करते हैं शो पे
अच्छा
रिसर्च
हाँ
के लिए.
दिख रहा है, किधर है?
वो अभी
प्रोडक्शन पेप्सी.
वो बाद में आ जाएंगे.
अच्छा बात हाँ. Wow, I've never thought about this. So honestly, I think I would still be doing this. I have always wanted to do it. I've always wanted to dance. I feel like अगर काला चश्मा नहीं होता तो कोई और गाना होता. But yeah, I feel like I would be doing this still. Like I've always had the knack of being in front of the camera. I've always wanted to share my dancing with others. I mean it's weird because more than me starting dancing, I became a teacher first, like teaching. I started teaching when I was in 8th grade. And I taught my seniors. So I feel like I feel like me wanting to share my knowledge and my passion for dancing has always been there. So I think मैं अभी भी यही कर रही होती. Yeah.
It's just a matter of timing.
Yeah, I think
Yeah.
शायद टाइमिंग अलग
उसने
होगी हाँ,
yeah.
but I feel like yeah. Wow.
Hmm. So
Crazy.
thankfully you did press upload and Kala Chashma came into the world and today you're here living the epitome of every
Yeah.
star.
Listen, please, yeah, don't feel shy.
So now you're doing what you love and
Yeah.
you're following a passion. Your profession is your passion. कुछ लोग कहते हैं कि touch wood. कुछ लोग कहते हैं कि you shouldn't make the thing you love the most your profession. You should make the second or third most thing that you love because and the reasoning behind that is कि when you make something you really like as your work. In the past, you said dance was your release, and maybe after hard day at work or university, dance was a place where you felt happy again, right? But now when you're working, it might happen ki kabhi because of work you might be annoyed with it. Maybe other things like maybe traveling to places or delays or social media might एक दिन कभी ऐसा आएगा कि do I really have to because you have to do it consistently. Has that happened
True.
with you?
100%. So the thing is that because okay, so like for me, I'm kind of like I don't know if I want to say a workaholic, but because I love doing what I do so much, मुझे पता नहीं चलता कि मैं पूरा दिन, पूरा हफ्ता, all the time just dancing. But it gets very hectic sometimes. Because all the time I'm just dancing, and dancing is like a physical activity. So the whole body, my mind gets brain dead. I mean, just the past 3 days was so hectic. I haven't slept. And then there have been days, especially during the lockdown, also, like because it's relatable. So I'll tell you about the lockdown scene. I'm just like, bus, yaar. So because we were at home and people were consuming social media way more than at any point of time. So we as content creators, we had to, at least I wanted to make more content, I want to have fun, there's that. And also because for my sanity, because I was stuck in Mumbai alone without my family. So I want to make more content, this, that. But फिर मैं fried हो गया ना. I was like, बस अब मुझसे नहीं होगा और खत्म. I've pushed myself a lot, and I have these days, but then I control myself. I take a little break, and then I come back to it. And I mean, in 3.5 years, I haven't taken a single day's break till now. So honestly, it's not good because it really messes up with your mental health, and I've gone through it. So please take a break. Um, but yeah, I feel like it's there have been days. Yeah, yeah.
Now that you dance for a living, so what do you do for fun?
I, I mean, I'm always fun, so I don't need to do anything specific, if you know what I mean. But no,
I don't know. Actually,
you
what do
don't know.
mean?
Oh, please.
मुझे को कोई idea नहीं.
Oh, please. Okay. What do I do for fun? I mean, I don't know, to be honest. See, now, damn, yeah, because I'm always dancing. I don't know what I do for fun. Um, uh, I don't know, maybe go out and I have a very normal life, like a very normal. I mean, nothing like I do pretty crazy. I mean, I just probably go out with my friends to get some kind of a break from dancing. And yeah, nothing crazy. I mean, I want to do a lot of things. I want to do scuba diving. I want to travel places. This year was supposed to be my travel year. And I want to go to Amsterdam and like party and like, but कुछ भी नहीं हुआ. So
Amsterdam में ऐसे party करते हैं.
हाँ
Yeah,
मतलब
करते होंगे मैं नहीं जानता.
listen,
मैं
I'll
तो
throw this on you. You know why I'm building this so I can throw it on your face.
That's what you're building, huh?
Yes.
Nice. Interesting thought. Okay, let's talk about Bollywood.
Okay.
So Bollywood is, like we spoke about earlier, was a big inspiration for you. What is it about Bollywood that really attracts you? A lot of people talk about कि Bollywood में बहुत मसाला है या बहुत song and dance है, but I say this is exactly why I like Bollywood. मैं चाहता हूँ कि मेरी मूवी के बीच में suddenly वो धुरंधुश आ जाए या Salman Khan बोले I love you all or जाने जाना. Suddenly I was I love these things.
Yeah,
What is about Bollywood
100%.
that really
I
attracted
think
you?
100% the exact same thing. I feel like the masala, the drama, the entire thing, you know, I know it sounds like very, I don't know, vain or whatever, but it's just that, you know, when especially even when we're shooting, so I can't even imagine a movie. So मैं normal dance cover shoot करती हूँ, तो वो जब the people who are helping me out वो पंखा चलाते हैं, फिर मेरे बाल उड़ते हैं और make up the entire thing, like the drama, the gossip, कि क्या क्या चल रहा है ऐसे बड़े बड़े stars की lives में. I feel the entire thing is just amazing, and especially the whole I feel like the entire chaka chaunt bolte hain na jisko in Bollywood. Obviously, I also know being in the industry a little bit here and there. I know that obviously it has a lot of its cons. Uh, but I mean, it's a good. I mean, it's a good place to be in terms of not Bollywood. I don't want to be in Bollywood, to be honest. I kind of want to be just like this, like a social media dance, this that. But
You,
I like listening to news about Bollywood. Yeah.
you found a sweet spot.
Yes, I found my. I मुझे
Yeah.
Bollywood. So basically, I wanted to be an actor always. But I don't know. I just from the past 2 years, I've not thought about acting or anything. Like I do my commercials, I do my TV presenting, this that. But I don't think I want to do it anymore. I just want to dance and just be here and grow more here in the same space.
For someone who's grown up watching so many stars, you mentioned you danced with Neha Kakkar before. You worked with Nawazuddin Siddiqui, Javed Sheikh. When you meet them, are you ever starstruck now?
Yeah,
Still are.
crazy, 100%, 100%. When I met Nora Fatehi for the first time, so we danced together for this her song promotion, and when I met Nora, she's so normal, right? She's so sweet and like she's so normal. And I was like, oh my god, because she's like a goddess when she dances. I was like, oh my god. And then when I was teaching her my choreography, it was a fan moment. Like I was just like, what is happening? Now with Neha Kakkar, now she's Neha Kakkar, right? Like she's like the biggest musician in India. And but she's like, she treated me like family. So we've done a lot of dance videos together. We shot a video together for Tony Kakkar also. I mean Tony, like all of us. So we've even chilled at one of the people's houses, and we were when we were working and making videos with other TikTokers and stuff like that. But she's so like, आपको कुछ चाहिए पीने के लिए, आपको कुछ so normal. Like she's like a friend. She was laughing. She was, and it's not just her; it's the entire family. Like even Tony's like that, even Neha. Everyone, they made us feel like a part of them. But I was just like, oh my god, that's Neha Kakkar there. But I mean, these guys are just so normal. I mean, that's how it should be, right? Not everyone's like that, by the way. I've had some bad experiences, but yeah, they are like I was starstruck all the time. Yeah, and Nawazuddin sir was the biggest thing that's ever like happened. Uh, I was like, I learned so much from him, and then one day he had very high fever. Like he was shivering during the shoot, okay, and so the entire production had gotten him a blanket. He was sitting and chilling, whatever. The moment they started saying कि अब हम shot करेंगे, he removed it, went for the shot. मतलब बिल्कुल change हो गया. And I was like, that's the kind of dedication, and that's what I want. I mean, it was crazy. I learned so much, and I'm just like, oh my god, I just worked with Nawazuddin Siddiqui. I was starstruck. I was dead. But yeah, it was amazing.
When you're working with him, did you have that feeling कि ये मैं क्या कर रही हूँ, मैं कैसे आई इधर, or you were very happy कि you were sharing the same space
No,
with him?
100%. I was like, how did I even get selected for this? What? I mean, he's Nawaz. I was like, तब मुझे थोड़ा confidence आया. चलो अब मुझे में भी कुछ है थोड़ा सा,
Yeah.
like a little bit, क्योंकि I'm working with Nawazuddin sir now. So yeah, I was very confident. I was like, after that, I was like, okay, I can do this.
Are you able to sit back and then detach from what you've achieved so far? कि मैं 4 साल में you've done so much in 4 years from where you were, where you have come now. You've been working with Nawazuddin and other actors as well. Are you able to take a moment to sit back and just think कि damn, like
Yeah, it's very surreal. I feel like about my journey and about everything that's happened, I'm super emotional. Like it just comes in suddenly. I don't realize it because मैं इतनी भाग दौड़ करती हूँ every day. ये हो रहा है project ये हो रहा है. But when something like big like this happens, it's just crazy. It's like when I hit something very menial as 100K followers on Instagram. uh, for me अभी in the social media space में menial I meant क्योंकि अभी millions of followers तो ऐसे ही मिल जाते हैं ये वो. But when I hit 100K, मैं पागल हो गई. मैंने party throw, I went and celebrated, I went and because I couldn't believe it. I was like 100,000 people follow me. मुझे नाचने देखने के लिए. uh, but it was surreal. And then on Snapchat, so recently on Snapchat I hit 200K, and even after so many years, I've had a million on TikTok. I've crossed all these milestones before, but just like like अगर ये छोटी छोटी भी चीजें होती हैं ना, I just go crazy. I'm like, oh my god, what just happened? And I'm just very emotional about whatever's happened with me currently. I mean, everything that's happened with me. So yeah.
do you fear that कि एक दिन all of this might just go away like
Yes,
this?
100%.
How do you deal with that?
100%. तो मेरा ये एक है कि I'm very strong headed. I exactly know what I'm doing and I exactly know what इसके consequences हो सकते हैं. Exactly why I don't let it get to my head.
Hmm.
And that's the biggest thing because I know कि जितना जल्दी तो नहीं पर जितना मुझे आया है ऐसे वो जा भी सकता है because it's social media. At any point in time, dude, it's so scary because I know some of my friends, influencers, Instagram का hack हो जाता है ऐसे. Instagram just shuts their account randomly. They don't get it back ever. They have to make a new account. All the influencer friends will then say, "Hey, they have a new account." मेरा दिल मतलब अगर मुझे God forbid, God forbid, if something like this, yeah, if something
Yeah.
like this happens to my Insta, जो इतनी मतलब शिद्दत से बोलते हैं ना बनाया है, मतलब
Yeah.
मैं तो jump, I will jump. No, I'm kidding. That was a little overboard. No, I will not jump, but yeah,
पर वो जरूर
I
अपलोड
will
करना
get.
वीडियो जंपिंग
हाँ, I will upload the video.
उससे वापस
I
फैन
will.
बेस तो आएगा.
I will. No, but I'm not lying. I'm not saying that my dad likes
Yeah.
social media. No, my dad loves dancing, but my heart will sink. I feel like I will be very sad. So, for an example, Reels जब आया था Instagram पे, I got Reels when I was in India, and 2 weeks later, I had flown back to Dubai. But because I already had Reels, it was there in my Instagram. Then I don't know, some update came. They must have found out that I'm in the UAE, क्योंकि maybe location, and then my Reels was taken away, and I was so sad because of Reels, I got 10,000 followers in a week, which is massive. And I was like, finally, I'm getting where I deserve the views and the likes. I had 1 million views on my videos essay. And I was like, this is what I deserve. I know that. And now finally it's happening. And then it was taken away. And it's still not there. And I get very sad thinking about it. Like a lot, like my heart just sinks. And I'm like, but I mean, I would be sad, but sad for a long time if anything happens to my social media and all of this that I've built. But I think I'm ready for it. I think I should be. Yeah.
Interesting. I hope it doesn't go away.
Yeah. I know.
I can honestly say I've known you since 10th grade, and then for a long time we haven't met. But I can say that you've stayed very genuine to the person you were in 10th grade till
Oh, thank
now.
God. Guys,
And
please listen.
Shah Rukh Khan sun raha hai वैसे
Shah
भी.
Rukh Khan.
So, and I imagine this must be very hard for you because you just mentioned now Bollywood is not a dream, but you're working in industries that still value the way people look a certain way, or nepotism over talent, or and staying genuine can also work to you. It can help you in certain ways, but it can also hurt you at some points. So, is it hard for you, and how do you manage that? How do you manage to grow and not give up opportunities, but still be yourself, be authentic?
I don't think so, yeah. I even if it's hard for me to grow, I will still not stop being myself. Because I feel like social media I see that a lot. That literally I've seen a change in personality. Matlab aisa, like people that they are on social media when they're on stories and everything, and if we generally meet and hang out, matlab there is a zameen asmar ka farak in terms of the personality. And I'm just like, but why? I wouldn't do something like that, because the reason why, how many ever followers little I have on all platforms, they follow me for exactly who I am. And I've always been like this since the time I started. Kala chashma, ye wo. तो मैं हमेशा से ही ऐसी थी, and I don't think yes, it can get a little hard, maybe because some things that I do might I don't know, they might expect me to be a little more. Because okay, one thing that is there, मैं मेकअप वेकअप नहीं लगाती जनरली ऑल द टाइम, ओनली फॉर शूट्स और एवरीथिंग. मुझे कोई इंटरेस्ट नहीं है इन सब चीज़ों में, एंड मैं ऐसे ही कुछ भी पहन के आ जाती हूँ whatever. So that's the one thing that I've realized now. Yeah, when people just randomly recognize me on the roads or whatever, and then they're taking photos, then I'm like, oh shit, thoda sa to at least अच्छे कपड़े पहनने थे. That's the only thing that's coming up. But still, I mean मैं अभी भी ऐसी ही हूँ, so I don't think I would want to change just to fit in. It can get hard, but for me, touch wood, I mean, it hasn't, and even if it does, I'm not going to change. So
While we're in the topic of personality, you did go to an all-girls school.
yeah.
Did that make a difference in your personality, the way you communicate with both women and men, or there's no
Sharad,
difference?
like I just want to say that I mean, I've done a lot of interviews, but because you know me for so long, like such type of questions nobody would ask. Like nobody knows, I think, that I went to an all girls school. So firstly, thank you.
जिस इंटर्न ने क्वेश्चन लिखा उसको रेज मिलेगा.
हाँ, चलिए. कौन है? मुझे दिखते क्यों नहीं है ये लोग?
Never reveal your secrets.
So honestly, no. I feel like touch wood. Thank God, yeah. My personality भगवान ने मुझे ऐसी दी है जो मैं हमेशा से ही ऐसी थी. But I don't know if I should say this because my parents might see it. But even when we were in school, I mean, we were in a pretty famous school. और जो हमारे आई मीन ये था कि जो हमारा जो बॉयज का ब्रांच था दैट वाज अ लिटिल दैट डिडंट हेल्प अस दैट मच बिकॉज़ द बॉयज आर वेरी लेम. He
Yeah.
was one of them, so you all
Yeah.
know.
Clearly, you can.
Clearly you can see.
इधर living example बैठा है. Yeah.
But no, yeah, I don't think it made a difference. I think I've always been like this, and it didn't affect me कि मतलब लड़कों से talk. I was very shy and everything. I've always been a little tomboy since I was in school, so I think it didn't make a difference.
And you also mentioned कि you're very
खाना
strong-minded.
कितना बना रहे हो यार?
मैं तो वो तो
मतलब
बनते
are
जाता
you
है.
fidgety or what? Are you like
नहीं
are you fidgety?
नहीं
तो इतना क्यों? अच्छा
नहीं
नहीं नहीं
नहीं नहीं
तो फिर
कभी
इतना क्या बना लिया? Like मैं ऐसा chill करके
Yeah.
ऐसा बस बातें करी जा रही हूँ, उसने क्या किया?
कभी कभी ऐसा होता है नींद में भी लगो. Anyway, back to the questions, Nidhi. So when you mentioned कि you're very strong-minded, is this something that you had to work on, or it came naturally to you? In the past you've spoken about how you've handled the situation. एक बहुत funny story कि Burjuman में you had a wardrobe malfunction and
Yes, oh my
you reacted really well, and you're also very vocal about it, which is also commendable. कि a lot of people don't like talking about such stuff. I can imagine कि ऐसे एक तो stage itself is a very high pressure environment. लोग तो बोल नहीं पाते हैं, and you're dancing and something like this happens and you're able to react well to it. How do you do that? Have you worked on it, or
No, I think so. Okay, so I'm a very emotional person, and I have been okay. I don't know. I can't use the word, but I have been. Um, I don't know what word to say. I have been taken for granted, if I can say, because of how emotional I am. So I've had pretty bad experiences. But that being said, I have always been very strong-headed, especially in terms of my profession, because I take this very seriously. और मैंने since I was young, I have researched a lot. Like when I started YouTube, मैंने खुद research किया कि ये कैसे करना है, copyright कैसे नहीं मिलेगा, ये मिलेगा, सब कुछ खुद किया. कि आज के culture में क्या होता है, बच्चे जो because there's so many influencers now, they'll just DM them, hey Dee, can you please tell me how the copyright won't be. They don't want to work, they don't want to research nothing. So for me, I had to research, and then obviously news. हम लोग news, मेरे dad हर समय news में ही इतना देखते थे. So न्यूज़ में भी इतनी वो आते थे कि बॉलीवुड इज दिस इज हाउ डांसर्स आर, ये वो क्या क्या न्यूज़ क्या क्या चलता था. सो आई फील लाइक व्हेन आई चोज टू कम हियर, आई वाज ऑलरेडी लाइक जो भी हो जाए बस खुद का फोकस करना है. आई फील लाइक द रीजन व्हाई एनीथिंग डज नॉट अफेक्ट मी इन टर्म्स लाइक आई एम वेरी स्ट्रांग हेडेड एंड आई नो कि that this is what I want to do, and then I don't let myself distracted, is because um I feel like I don't care about what others are doing. Like even if it's my competitors or whatever, I don't see anyone as competition because we're all separate individuals. But I don't care about what others are doing. I'm just focused on me. Like मुझे अब मैं अगले दिन क्या करूँगी, मेरा schedule क्या है, मुझे और कौन से में किससे और better चीज करनी है. And that's it. Like I legit don't care. And I feel like that has made me feel very calm, because when you start comparing yourself to others, like उसको इतना कैसे मिला. Don't get me wrong, मुझे when I'm really sad sometimes वो आता है. I know I deserve 1 million. So why are they without even posting anything or without even it comes, but then it goes also, because I'm like, no, that's their journey. This is mine. And I feel like that is what makes me strong. And I'm just like, one path. That's it.
बहुत serious questions हो
बहुत
गए.
serious यार.
Let's move on to the fun questions.
Yes.
So we're moving to a very exciting rapid fire
Oh
round.
my god, I was not ready for this.
You can get ready. I'm pretty sure, Nidhi, you are born for this. अब coffee करूँ तो तूने देखी है.
मैंने बहुत practice भी किया
Yeah.
coffee में.
Because you might be answering the
Yeah,
same
I know,
questions.
right?
So you watched it. You know how it goes. I'm going to ask you some questions. Make sure your answers are rapid and full of fire. Can't believe I'm getting into Karan Johar, as many in the industry have. But
Yeah.
let's. Anyway, moving quickly. Bro, Shah Rukh Khan dekha hai.
Shahrukh Khan देख रहा है, exactly.
उसका best friend है वो.
I'm not in this podcast. Okay.
Ready? कुछ
Right.
करना है?
Guys, please, I just hope I'm good. Yeah.
Don't worry, you'll rock it. You have to win the hamper after all.
Is there a hamper?
If you win, you'll find out.
You-
Anyway, देख कितने सारे gifts पड़े हैं इधर. And चलो, let's start.
Let's go.
If you woke up one morning and you found out that you turned into the following, what would you do? Anushka Sharma.
Have more of Virat Kohli's babies.
Yeah, why not?
Why not? Yeah.
Shamak Dawar.
Open another branch in a place that they've never opened in. I don't know. Yeah.
Business mindset.
Businessman. Yeah.
Remo D'Souza.
Oh. Make do an all make a film with all dance influencers. Dance influencers.
Like ABCD, but
But with influencers. Fun. I think it'll be
Yeah.
super fun, like drama, gossip, social media. I think it'll be fun.
Oh, nice. Madhuri Dixit?
Oh, if I was Madhuri Dixit, I would be the queen of the world. I don't have to do anything, I think. I don't know what I'll do. No, this is a very hard question. I can't.
Can't have any motivation if you're Madhuri Dixit,
I
right?
know,
You have-
right? I mean, I'm Madhuri.
Prabhu Deva.
Oh, if I was Prabhudeva, sir, I would want to meet Michael Jackson, sir, but how would I do that?
Travel back in time.
Travel back in time.
Oh,
Yeah, like maybe refresh his
Yeah.
memories and like go, yeah, I would, I mean, that's the dream.
nice. One movie dialogue or quote that describes Nidhi Kumar.
Okay, now this is hard because I don't know. But you know what? I feel like I really like resonate to the Shah Rukh Khan dialogue. It's very simple. Like Jas when he says no, not Shah Rukh Khan dialogue, wo jo Amrish Puri's dialogue. Ja Simran, ji le apni zindagi. That because I mean I just feel like I don't know. I just very like it's me, you know, like just go and live your life and like do whatever you want. And I feel like I really like that's who I am as a person. I want everybody to do that too. Like just live your life and don't care about others. And yeah.
Also poetic because your dad also supported
Dad
you.
also supported.
Yeah, so-
Yes. Oh, that was a good
Yeah.
one. Yes, of course. Yeah.
Favorite female Bollywood actor in the past or now? Both.
Past was Kajol.
Hmm.
Right now, honestly, no one.
Male Bollywood actor?
Ayushmann Khurrana and Rajkumar Rao. I am obsessed. Ayushmann Khurrana, I'm obsessed. And Rajkumar Rao also, like, I'm obsessed. And before, it was used to be Shah Rukh Khan. Like, I was crazy about Shah Rukh. So.
But unfortunately. Anyway, one song that will pull you to the dance floor immediately.
Oh, there's so many. But I think all Govinda songs. I think, a recent one, if you want to keep this very relatable, Husn Hai Suhana.
One song that always makes you smile.
Jaane tu dil janta hai, tu hai to I'll be alright. That one. I can't sing, guys. My throat is.
If you were stuck on an island with two people, who would they be?
Ranveer Singh. मुझे सोचना भी नहीं था. This actually happened. Ranveer Singh and यार, why are these such hard questions? I've never thought about these things.
Coffee करने में तो यही पूछते हैं.
I know.
Yeah.
Ranveer Singh and I think Varun Dhawan. Now don't ask me why. No.
Okay. What's been your craziest interaction with a fan?
Oh, there have been so many. So many. I think recently the craziest one. I don't know if there was any craziest, but I feel like whenever they see me for the first time, like especially when they meet me in a mall, and agar do teen ladkiyan, and then when they scream, "Oh my God, we love you so much!" and then when they say all of these things in front of my face, I'm just like, "Oh my God, this is so cute!" and they want to take selfies and this that. I don't think anything crazy has happened yet, but yeah.
अभी तक किसी ने खाती नहीं लेके अपने खून में.
नहीं यार, मुझे चाहिए
Guys,
भी नहीं, please.
Guys, what are you doing?
No!
Ideas. आप जरा
No.
अपना address बताना इनको.
No kids, please.
Oh no, kids. नहीं कभी
Yes,
करना.
I don't need it.
These are jokes.
These are
Yeah,
jokes.
Just to specify.
Yes.
Okay. What's the worst relationship advice someone's given you?
Worst relationship advice. Wow. This I really have to think because there are so many. When. Oh yeah, okay. There was this one thing. I think one of the worst was when I had to forgive someone that basically my ex-boyfriend did something, the worst thing possible. And I was in love apparently, which clearly now that I think about it, I wasn't, but I was in love or whatever. But they did it, and I wanted to forgive that person, but so when I spoke to my friends about it, and they said no at first, but then they gave in because I was like, but yeah, they were like, do it, it's okay if you want to. So I think they should have like slapped me and be like, no, you don't do it, but they should have been more harsh maybe. But
Friends.
Yeah. Friends.
So what's the worst pickup line that's been used on you?
Oh my God, there are so many. Okay, not gonna lie, the most common, like this, I don't even have to think. The most common one that has ever been used on me from I don't even know how many men is the heaven one. Are you an angel because you've been like what's the, I don't even know what it is.
Have you dropped out of
Dropped out of heaven.
मैं नहीं use करता, मुझे पता नहीं. कैसे बोलते हैं?
कैसे बोलते हैं? अच्छा,
क्या है
हाँ,
वो? Heaven,
हाँ.
hell. That's
So I think that's the most common, and I don't like it. It's no.
Guys,
No.
find new ones.
Please find new ones because I don't think I'll be impressed if you use that line. Yeah.
What's the best pickup line that's been used on you?
You know what? Honestly, there was one that was very recent and I liked it. Wait, I don't remember. No, I've been put on the spot. Okay, if I remember it again, I'll let you all know. Let's come back to this.
सोच ही रहना बाद में
हाँ, I'm gonna think about this.
throughout the interview if you ever
Yeah.
याद है किसने बोला था?
Yeah.
Okay. Then just flat.
Yeah.
चलो we'll give you the time, don't worry
Yeah.
about it. Pressure में नहीं डालना है.
I'm pressured.
If
I'm
you could
pressurized.
go on a date with one person, married or single, who would it be but except Cristiano Ronaldo and Ayushmann Khurrana?
I would really love to go on a date with Ayushmann Khurrana, but I would love to go with Ranveer Singh.
If you went on a date with Ranveer Singh, what is your perfect date like?
With him, I would go to, I don't know, I think I would go to Ibiza or Amsterdam. I think on our first date, I'm just gonna, do you wanna, we were gonna make it very adventurous because Ranveer Singh is like so like, because both of us are very like, our energy levels match. So I'm just gonna be like, so do you wanna do something spontaneous? And he was like, yes. And then we'll fly off to like either Ibiza or like somewhere and we're gonna party. Like, it's not gonna be a normal date. I wanna go for dinner and I know, I wanna party with him. I wanna have fun. I wanna eat and do everything like a day. You know what I mean? Like all the fun things.
छोटी बातें तो करते नहीं कैंडल लाइट डिनर ये सब नहीं इन सब का
I
मामला
mean,
नहीं
Nidhi Kumar
Ibiza.
थोड़ा- yeah, I mean, Nidhi Kumar से छोटी बातें तो नहीं ना किdding. I mean, it's a dream. I mean, कितना भी बड़ा बना ले, yeah.
Of course. React with one word to the following. Sharjah.
Love.
ठीक है. TikTok.
Miss.
Arun English High School.
यार, please, यार. No. South Indian.
What?
I think the Arun people know what I'm talking.
What?
I'm sorry.
मैं भी वही स्कूल गया था.
I know.
मैं आगरा का बैठा है इधर. Okay. मणिपाल यूनिवर्सिटी.
Oh, okay. Okay. I'm talking about the experience, not the studies or anything. Experience is okay.
One word. Mumbai.
Dreams.
What's one dance form that you really want to learn?
Bachata. I have been wanting to.
What's one movie role that you think you could have done better?
Oh. Maybe Sara Ali Khan and Coolie number one. The Coolie number one, the new one.
What's one thing that you always want to be remembered for?
My personality. I feel not even my dancing. I feel like just my personality and if I've ever made someone happy.
Last question. What is the best and worst part about being Nidhi Kumar?
Damn! Best part is my entire Nidhi's fam. Like, y'all know what I'm talking about. I don't know if you do.
Nidhi crew?
Yeah. Like,
NK crew?
NK
Yeah.
crew. Like, my entire Nidhi sound, like all my followers. I think they're the best part because every day I wake up, even if I'm very depressed and sad, I wake up and they have comments or something like that just makes me smile. So I feel like that's the best part. The worst part is the stress. Like, it's too much.
And that is the end, Nidhi.
Did I kill it?
ये हम मेरे जूरी से पूछना
अच्छा,
पड़ेगा
jury, अच्छा,
बट मेरी तरफ से आप जीत चुकी हैं
Really? अच्छा, कोई और था जीतने के लिए?
but it was a tough competition yeah
Okay.
हम पर हम भेज देंगे
अच्छा, भेज देंगे मुझे यहाँ पे नहीं मिलेगा on camera.
सब contactless है
अच्छा.
Robert
Done. Done.
okay
Done.
before we start wrapping up just you have covered social media on multiple instances I just want to get your thoughts on that as well you're someone who's used social media to your advantage really well musically मतलब TikTok तूने musically के दिनों से देखा है एक दिन TikTok का म्यूजियम बनेगा तो तेरी स्टैचू होगी एंट्रेंस पे आई थिंक फॉर श्योर बट इन जनरल यू हैव यूज्ड सोशल मीडिया वेरी वेल एंड यू हैव रियली exploited the advantages of the platform so what advice do you have for people who are also trying to grow on social media
I think this is super important. I keep giving the same advice to everybody. I feel like social media is a boon and a bane. It's both, okay? It's about how you use it to your advantage. It's very, very easy to get distracted on social media. So all I want to say, please, 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 I know it'll, if you're young, obviously it'll take time for you to grow and have a strong head and everything. But I feel like you guys should be prepared for anything and everything on social media. I feel like that's very important. Please be strong-headed. Don't let negativity affect you in any way because you should know that the people who spread negativity or hate on social media have practically nothing to do. And that's why they're doing it, not because they have anything personal with you. So there are many things that I want to say, but mainly is have a strong head, have a strong sense of direction where you want to go. And I feel like social media can really, really help you achieve your dreams. Not just for an artist, not just dancing or anything. Even businesses are on social media right now. And yeah, so that's it.
is it easy for you to ignore all the negativity because people find it easier to talk shit because online they might say something that they might not tell you to your face yeah it's
100%.
anonymous
100%.
does that take a toll on you and how do you cope with it and what advice can you give people who want to cope
Honestly,
with it
I don't know if I can give any advice on that because I honestly don't care. Like I ignore bhi kyun? Like I don't even pay attention, so I can't even ignore it. I know that like all of this is a part of what I do. So I already know that now अभी ये मैं उसको इस चीज में देखती हूँ that I have like thousands of people here on one side who are like, oh my god, we love you, we love what you do. अब मैं उन सब को छोड़ के इस एक बंदे पे फोकस करूं और उन पे नहीं
Yeah.
करूं. So I look at it that way. What is more important? The bigger picture. Who are more important to me? My Nadi's fam, and that's it. So I just like I don't even pay attention. Like who are they? Basically, yeah.
Before we start wrapping up, love to know तूने क्या बनाया है इधर लेगो के साथ. What do you think has been made इधर? क्या है ये सब? वैसे तूने कुछ बनाया भी अपनी तरफ से, क्या बनाया?
You've made all of this?
I mean, you're making it sound like कोई मैंने मोनालिसा
Dude,
बनाई है.
but it looks so good.
What is अच्छा what I want you to do is interpret कि क्या है ये. What do you think this is?
Oh my god.
You're acting like कि क्या बिल्कुल
Guys,
masterpiece.
but look at what I have made. Look,
ये क्या है?
I just made this.
This is a trophy, dance trophy.
Is this going to be my hamper that it'll consist of?
वो आ जाएगा. तू-
Listen, don't lie. But oh my
100%.
god, this looks like such
ये
a.
क्या है?
This looks like Antilla, Ambani's, Ambani's
Yeah,
because of
done.
all of this.
Because it looks odd.
Because it looks odd.
ये क्या है?
This, like a dog. You see, dog. The
तूने
body.
shadow भी देख रहा है.
See? Oh, no, actually, no, wait. Oh,
थोड़ा, I mean, dog है. I can
you know
see.
what this looks like? Is it going to be weird if I say it? I
mean,
swear to God, but I
if
think I'm going to kill it.
If it's PG, then yeah. you
No,
can
no, it's
go-
PG.
Yeah, go ahead.
Do you guys know Atlantis at the Palm?
Yeah, of course.
The one crescent of Atlantis.
Doesn't
it?
Ooh, that's
It-
very interesting.
It
Yeah,
actually does, no? Because when I shadow dekha, I was like, damn, this looks like Atlantis. Good, man. I
तूने
like
बोला.
it.
Yeah, amazing.
I like it.
Okay, final few questions.
Done.
So you've spoken about your parents being an inspiration, a lot of movies and actors. What other movies, books, or people have been a strong influence in your life if you want to share with people?
Movies. Number one, I know it's very cliche, but I think two movies. Dil Chahta and Zindagi Na Milegi Dobara. And I'll tell you why. I have lived all my life in Dubai. पूरे 25 साल मैंने यहीं पे गुजारे. मैंने स्कूल भी यही किया 14 years. एक ही स्कूल में, कॉलेज भी यही किया. I wanted to go to Mumbai right after school for acting, but my parents emotional blackmail. हमें छोड़ के मत जा, तू सबसे छोटी है, इधर खत्म कर ले फिर जाइयो. You know every parent. And then I was like, yeah, you know what? Okay, cool. And plus they were also like, you dance, you do what you want to, पर एक backup ले ले, because you know the career is. And I was like, yeah, they are smart, they know what they are saying. And I was like, okay. मैंने कॉलेज भी यही किया, मैंने सब कुछ यही किया यार. फाइनली लास्ट ईयर व्हेन आई मूव टू मुंबई, तब मुझे सेंस हुआ जब मेरी काम वाली नहीं आती तो मुझे झाड़ू पोछा, व्हेन माय हाउस हेल्प couldn't come, I शुरू झाड़ू पोछा, ये वो सब कुछ खुद. फॉर द फर्स्ट टाइम मुझे लॉन्ड्री तक करनी नहीं आती थी. सो आई लर्नड हाउ टू डू लॉन्ड्री, वो सब. सो आई फील लाइक, आई डोंट नो, इट वाज जस्ट everything was just very surreal, and I just I don't know, man, you're making me very
नहीं,
think
link
about.
दिल चाहता है और
I
जिंदगी.
know, I'm doing, but I'm just
Oh.
like you're making me very emotional thinking about all of this again.
टेंशन ये नहीं था.
I know. But so I've basically, like, everything I've done here, and I really wanted to travel, do this and do that. Now both the movies are such feel good movies, and I feel like the whole thing where the friends just get up and go. यहाँ पे you know वो जो famous meme है जो मतलब गोवा जाने के लिए भी हमारे plans नहीं बनते. So I feel like, yeah, I just want to travel. I want to do a lot of things, but I feel like I work so much. तो वो मतलब मैं सोच मतलब दिमाग में भी नहीं आता कि, you know, that I want to do so many things, and I don't know how to stop working. I feel like that's the one thing that I really want to do. I want to जिंदगी में मुझे वो गाड़ियों में उड़े आसमान, मुझे वो सब करना है. But yeah, I feel like I've learned a lot from those movies, like friendship, this, that, and I want to do those things, you know. That's it. I feel like, yeah, just these two for now, from what's coming in my head.
एक दिन आएगा वो when you'll be in that convertible.
I
just
really
lying,
hope, yeah.
Hrithik Roshan side में होगा.
I really
Absolutely
hope.
fantastic. And
I-
just sitting down there.
Oh
Yeah.
my god. Oh my
Yes.
god. Can
Yeah.
I also, by the way, if
Yeah.
anybody looks like Hrithik Roshan and Zindagi Na Milegi, please hit me up and like take me for a.
मैं dubbing कर देगा.
मैं
Okay. What would you like your legacy to be like?
My like, what do you mean? Like in.
अब
like in what
50 साल
sense?
बाद जब
Hmm.
निधि के बारे में लोग सोचेंगे, so what do you want to be remembered for?
Obviously my dancing. I want people to remember me for my dancing. And I feel like, okay, so one thing that I really want to do, my dream, the reason why I want to do all of this is to have my own dance academy. And obviously every dancer ka yahi hota hai, but I can still I can actually make one now. I can have my own dance academy and I can own it. But I want to do something very big. Like my dance academy ऐसे होनी चाहिए कि जो कभी किसी ने कुछ किया नहीं और इसलिए मुझे वो आइडिया अभी तक आया नहीं है कि मेरी academy से क्या different होगा. So that's why I haven't done it yet. But I feel like my legacy, I want to have my own dance academy. I want to be remembered for my dancing and mostly for my personality. I want to be remembered for who, like, you know how Ranveer Singh, I feel like Ranveer Singh movies अच्छी हैं, but he'll be remembered for that crazy person. So I want to be remembered as that person जिसने इतना मजे किए, but dance भी किया, dreams भी achieve किए. I hope हो जाए. And you know, energy, it makes people smile, and yeah, basically this is it.
Nice. Final question. What do you think is the meaning of life?
What is wrong with you?
Yeah, final question है मैं क्या
Why,
करूँ?
why would you end with something like this? I mean, ये सब
बस।
मतलब what is this? Like I was so happy right now. I was like, oh, my legacy.
तो
है,
ये
this
meaning happy भी हो सकता है?
No, I know, but
Oh.
I mean, it's such a deep question. I don't think about all of this. What is the meaning of life? I don't know. I think for me is just live it each day, and we've been sent here to do things. So do things
Do things and live each day.
and live
Yeah,
each day
that's
and
great
have
meaning.
fun and like I mean, I crave to have, I really want to have fun, so I feel like I feel like the meaning of life is to just go and live each day and get your dreams and all the normal stuff. This is too much for me. Listen,
But this is a great meaning. Live each day and have fun.
okay.
जियो मुस्कुराओ कल
Kal
होना
ho na
हो
ho.
वही वाला.
Yes.
Yeah.
Okay. See, now that's the meaning of life for me. Yeah.
Why not?
Good,
Yeah.
good.
Like, it's your meaning.
Good. I mean, it's my
Yeah.
but you said but you like summarized it in a good way.
Yeah. Excellent. Nidhi, thank you so much
Thank
for coming on this show.
you.
If people want to find you in person or online, where can they find you?
So, guys, do not forget to follow me on Instagram, Facebook, TikTok, Nidhi Kumar Dance, on Snapchat, Nidhi Kumar, and of course, don't forget to follow him, on all his socials. And thank you so much for having me.
इसके आप पैसे लेंगे मुझे?
नहीं, मैं free में करूँगी because I
Oh.
like you. You're a good friend.
Oh, thank you, Nidhi.
Please go follow him.
Nidhi, it was an honor. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.